Yeah, this is the Kubota tractor. In this season is a rainy season. When they work at the rye field, it would be get a lot of mud. So one or two they have to clean it one time. But this time they are not going to clean all. They just clean at the special places for remove to check this one. I don't know how to say in English. So they use the tractor in the rainy season. They have to clean it to put the oils at special point. Okay, look over here. This is the biggest one, and working very smoothly in the mud field. See over here. You can see the tires of it really very light. Come outside. For people in the countryside, if they have this one, it's really very helpful for making a rye field, but it's also very expensive. This one is at least $30,000 or $40,000 for the US one. So mostly people in the countryside, they have no ability to buy it. So for the people who buy this, they're working for another people to earn a lot of money. Here the mud flying to catch the heat over there. They just run and they come to see the tractor over here. What they are doing here, they are not cleaning all, they just clean the special point of it. Like over here, you can see, I don't know how to say, like this. And they have to put the oil between up some of that. Okay, I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, look over here. They just clean it a little bit, then they will return back to work. In the rainy season, they have to use a helmet. Wow. For me also, the mud is coming. They have to use the helmet. Why they use the helmet? The reason is because of the mud is coming through their chest. The helmet, it will have helpful. You can imagine about that. Okay, see. Wow, this is really very large tractor. Over here is my mother's house. We come to clean at my mother's house. Okay. I just show you how it look like. Yeah. I asked the owners of the tractor at the moment. They said this is the medium one. It's 80.8. And this is large one and working very fast also. Yeah, it's a lot of mud over here. Wow. Okay, here. Over here, this is the machine that they have to clean it and to keep long time use. And that one, they have to use put the oil ban ngày liêng mà đó của nó
vì tao vì chụp chụp tài cho đi ở trong can liêng có ăn này cho nó ruồi có ăn liêng ta đi đầu trà vô mặt đầu sâu tới việc nó chiêng cái lắc
bà
okay.
They asked a question about how many days they have to clean the tractor. They said that in the rainy season they need to work all day and every day, so that they just clean in the special point only. This is what he said. Okay. You can imagine about the agriculture in any countries, especially in the countryside. They use this tractor to help in their work. This is really very important because now the new generation they don't use the cows anymore. This is very fast work and easy for the farmers also. And the owner of the tractor, they are working for the owner of the right field. 1 hectare they can get around 35 or $40 for 1 hectare. 1 hectare it is how to say it is a 10,000 square meter. Yeah. And for rich people, they always spend their money, invest on this lake, on this point to earn the money in the season of the rice field. Okay. Echo. Okay. Over there is a machine for collecting the rice. They just clean like this. It's not at all just finding any problem what is happened. They have to clean on this point and to make sure that it's work and no broken. You understand? Okay, perfect.